Presenting the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, an unlikely but authentic fusion of penthouse luxury on wheels and hypercar performance. Its strong, sharp lines, fighter-inspired angles, and front fascia dominated by a big Trident insignia instantly reveal its origins from a distance. Lightweight, durable carbon fiber covers the whole body, and a useful aerodynamic spoiler that is uncommon on RVs completes the design. Powered by a hybrid V12 engine with over 900 horsepower and a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, this beast can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a time that is embarrassing for a car in its class, demonstrating that extreme performance isn't just for racetracks. Once inside, the driver's cockpit is a symphony of performance and technology. The dashboard is a single, curved panel of carbon fiber and Alcantara that is solely focused on the driver. Your command center is a massive, curving OLED monitor in the center that displays everything from speed and directions to a 360-degree video image of your surroundings. Physical buttons have essentially been replaced with haptic touch controls and an AI voice assistant that can respond to all of your orders. This is not just a dash. It's the control panel of a future spacecraft. The living space is where the true elegance is displayed. It features an open, spacious layout, clean lines, and a straightforward design. The expertly designed modular seats, which can be rearranged to create a formal dining room or a cozy lounge space, are adorned with Italian leather and Alcantara upholstery. With a single touch, the smart glass technology on the panoramic roof can switch from transparent to opaque, giving you a stunning view of the night sky or privacy. The whole interior, including the temperature and sound system, is controlled by a single tablet. There is nothing more peaceful than this bedroom. It has a king-size bed with a high-quality memory foam mattress, surrounded by leather-covered wall panels and Alcantara. Its most notable feature is the panoramic window behind it, which offers a lovely view as you wake up and can be made translucent or opaque for privacy. Storage, including cupboards and drawers, is incorporated and flush with the wall, ensuring the area stays clean and basic. The spa-inspired bathroom is a sanctuary. The walls are composed of composite materials that resemble marble, giving the impression of boundless grandeur, while the shower enclosure is smooth and translucent. The modern sink is a simple work of beauty, and the smart mirror has an integrated display that shows the news and the weather. Because of the adjustable lighting and ideal water pressure, you can always rely on a refreshing experience wherever you go. The kitchen of the Lamborghini Motorhome is a shining example of clever design. It has a dual-zone stainless steel refrigerator/freezer, a modern microwave convection oven, and a flush-mounted induction cooktop with quartz stone or lightweight composite surfaces. Cabinets have a soft-close electric mechanism. A commitment to technical precision is evident in the kitchen's design, which reduces noise and vibration while in use.